Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to share with you my veggie dip recipe that is super simple and actually is kind of an alternative to the traditional hummus that is usually made with chickpeas. Today I'm using some white kidney beans and of course the Herbamare original sea salt, some fresh dill, you can use any kind of fresh herb for this, garlic, lemon, olive oil, simple to make, simple ingredients and super tasty.
So in a food processor, I added 2 cups of white kidney beans with about half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of fresh dill, 1 clove of garlic, the juice of half a lemon, and about a teaspoon of Herbamare original sea salt. I love this for the flavor it adds, nutrition. There's about 12 herbs and vegetables in there, so really adds depth and a freshness to your recipe. Simply mix all of that together for a smooth dip that is really fun to eat with veggies, but I also like to add this to my lunch wraps or salads. Even my kids enjoy it. That's it, pretty simple. Hope you enjoy.